Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to clear your Pinterest search history. It's really easy, so yeah, just follow what I do and let's get started. So in order to clear your search history, you need to be logged in, of course, just like this, and all you need to do then is just click on the search bar, and right here it says recent searches. Yeah, I just searched it up real quick for the sake of this tutorial, and all you need to do is just click on this icon right here, and as you can see, this will clear all your search history. And that's basically it. So if this video helps you out, make sure you leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And yeah, have a good day.